Are you ready for your close-up? Let's see what the stars have to say. In this video, we're going to look at the major arcana and the pip cards for the movie tarot. The movie tarot. The movie tarot. Hey everyone, I'm Esme and I'm happy you're here. If you like to explore all things metaphysical, and if you're a lover of tarot, well then this is the place for you. And if you're new, please hit that subscribe button. Let's get started. Today I'm going to walk you through the movie tarot card deck. This is a new deck for me. I ordered it on Amazon and it just arrived last night. Some things to know that was kind of weird was that there was no wrapping, no plastic on it, and when I opened it up there was no plastic on the inside for the cards. So I don't know if it was just mine or if that's just the way it's being sent. Okay, so let's take a walk through the deck. So this is the cover. This is the movie tarot. It's got great people on there. Winona Ryder, Jake Gyllenhaal, Uma Thurman, the person from Shawshank Redemption, I think. Well, if I'm wrong, please tell me. David Bowie. It's pretty cool. And then on the side, you see that? It says, "Be guided by the stars." That is so cool. And then it's the movie tarot. It tells you who it's by. And then it says, "Be guided by the stars." And then here is the back as well. So I was pretty excited to get this, but what's bad is that I got it for one card specifically. I mean, I love it in general. Well, I think I'll love it. I actually haven't looked through it yet. So this is my first time as well. So let's take a look. And I'll tell you what that one card was. So this is the inside. I don't know if you could tell with my camera, but it's like a forest green. And then here's the little white book, but it's not white at all. It's like a teal, a light green. So this says, "Movie Tarot, Guide to Characters and How to Read the Cards." Can you see who this is? This is Sharon Stone. It's the Queen of Swords. That's so awesome. That's so awesome. Okay, this is by Natalie Foss. She did the artwork, and Diana McMahon Collis, or Collis. Sorry, I don't know. She was the one who wrote the book, I believe. That's pretty cool. It gives you an introduction inside the book. It talks about the hero's journey. This book discusses how to conduct a reading and card meanings. Next, the guidebook shows all the characters, and what's cool about that is that it tells you the actor and the movie that it's from as well. So this is how the cards came to me, and as you can see, there's no plastic on here either. So the box had no plastic and the cards had no plastic. I don't know if yours will be the same as mine. I got this, I pre-ordered it, so it came to me like that. So I don't know, maybe it was just in haste or that's just the way it is. But can you see who the fool is? It's Forrest Gump. I love this. And it comes with a green band around it as well. I'm so excited. Eek. The thing about me is I love kitschy stuff. I love quirky, I love kitschy. I'm so excited for this. First card, the Fool, Forrest Gump. I hope you can see this. Maybe this will be better. Can you see that? I'm loving it. He's like, and he's running, and he's got the dog, and he's got his like red handkerchief. So good. The next card is Matt Damon in The Martian, and he is the magician. Can I just tell you how much I love this? This is Winona Ryder as the High Priestess from Beetlejuice. So good. I love this. I love this. Elizabeth Taylor as the Empress. Yes. Double yes. Yes. Al Pacino as the Emperor from Scarface. So good. I'm so geeking out right now. I love this. They're killing me. Marlon Brando as the Hierophant from Goodfellas. I hope you can see these. Oh. My heart. The Lovers from Brokeback Mountain. Jake Gyllenhaal, Heath Ledger. Just all kinds of yes. Russell Crowe in The Chariot. So good. Clint Eastwood as Justice. Yes. Meryl Streep in Out of Africa for The Hermit. I'm fangirling so hard. Christopher Lloyd in The Wheel of Fortune. I had no idea. This is so cool. I want to scream, but I can't. This is so awesome. Sigourney Weaver as Strength. Do you see this? Do you see this? Oh my god. I hope you can see this. This is Bjork. Oh my goodness. This is the Hanged Man. Or I like to say the Hanged One. Jake Gyllenhaal in Death as Donnie Darko. Can you believe it? The people who picked these actors, they did such a good job. I don't know if I'd be able to do it like they've done it. This is amazing. Morgan Freeman as Temperance. Ooh, Selma Hayek as the Devil. You want to take a dance with the devil? Oh. So good. The Tower. So good. Oh, Judy Garland as the Star. I love this. Absolutely fitting. David Bowie in The Labyrinth as the Moon. Aw. Julie Andrews as the Sun. So good. Ooh, Uma Thurman as Judgment in Kill Bill. Okay. This is the card that made me buy it. This is the card that made me click yes to the deck. Mila Jovovich as the World in Fifth Element. Come on! This is so good. So good! Okay, so now I'm going to show you the minor arcana. I'm going to show you the kings, queens, knights, and pages. So here's the Ace of Coins. I'm not sure who this is, so let me know in the comments if you know who. If you know which actor this is. And this is what the coin cards look like. Here's the Page of Coins. Is this the actor from Slumdog Millionaire? I'm not sure. Let me know in the comments if you know. Keanu Reeves as the Knight of Coins. Angelina Jolie as Laura Croft as the Queen of Coins. Aw, and Gene Wilder as the King of Coins. Here is the Ace of Cups. It looks like Claire Danes as Alice. Here is 2 through 10 of the cups. The Page of Cups, looks like Shakespeare in Love. The Knight of Cups, Princess Bride. Oh, the Queen of Cups, Amelie. I love Amelie. And the King of Cups, Bill Murray. That's awesome. So we have Brad Pitt, looks like from Fight Club, as Ace of Swords. Here is 2 through 10 of the cards. Of the swords, I mean to say. Ooh, Al Pacino, Taxi Driver, Page of Swords. Is this Johnny Depp as Edward Scissorhands, maybe? As Knight of Swords? There she is, Queen of Swords, Sharon Stone. And Tom Cruise as King of Swords. I'm loving this. Ace of Wands, Bruce Lee, so good. This is 2 through 10 of the Wands. And then Will Smith as the Page of Wands, the Knight of Wands, the Queen of Wands, so good. And Harrison Ford, the King of Wands, Indiana Jones. I also want to show you the backs as well. It just says Movie Tarot. And that's it. Let me know, what was your favorite character? Oh, I liked so many. I love Forrest Gump as the Fool. I loved Mila Jovovich in The Fifth Element. I love Winona Ryder in there. There were so many good picks. Did you think that the characters matched the card suit? Let me know your thoughts down below. Until next video. Bye.